Alright, animal lovers, let's test how many animals you can recognize from just a picture. You'll get 3 seconds to guess, so stay sharp. Let's go!
Before we dive in, if you love fun quizzes and wild questions, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content every week.
Guess the animal. It's a lion. Can you name this one? It's an elephant. What animal is this? It's a giraffe. Here comes a classic. Oh, it's a zebra. This one loves bamboo. It's a panda. Think fast. What is it? It's a tiger. A jumpy friend coming up. It's a kangaroo. Who's this curious creature? It's a monkey. Big and strong. Guess now. It's a gorilla. This one howls at the moon. It's a wolf. Here's a wild guess. It's a fox. Time for a farmyard friend. It's a cow. This one gives us wool. It's a sheep. Hop to it. It's a rabbit. Here's a chill one. It's a turtle. Spots and speed. It's a leopard. Slow and sleepy. It's a sloth. Who's got a long horn? It's a rhino. This one loves mud baths. It's a hippopotamus. Sharp teeth alert. It's a crocodile. Who's crawling in now? It's a lizard. Tiny but noisy. It's a mouse. Think you know this creature? It's an orangutan. It's a pig. Can you ride this one? It's a horse. It's a peacock. Web spinner alert. It's a spider. It's an eagle. Ordinary chatterbox. It's a parrot. Paddling on water. It's a duck. Hoots at night. It's an owl. Fast and shy. It's a deer. It's a snake. Color-changing creature. It's a chameleon. It looks like a chameleon. It's an iguana. Buzzes a lot. It's a bee. Marches in line. It's an ant. It's a tortoise. A flying squeaker. It's a bat. Take a wild guess. Who is this? It's an anaconda. It's a fish. Red and snappy. It's a crab. 8 legs and underwater. It's an octopus. Glows in the dark sea. It's a jellyfish. climbs trees and steals food. It's a raccoon. It's a hedgehog. Big beak and colorful. It's a toucan. Lives in icy places. It's a penguin. Strong and pulls carts. It's a donkey. Tall ears, small horns. It's a goat. Brown and cuddly. It's a bear. It's a frog. Tiny flying bug with dots. It's a ladybug. It's a dolphin. Ocean giant. It's a whale. Big bird that doesn't fly. It's an ostrich. Which animal do you see? It's a sparrow. This one delivers milk. It's a buffalo. Buzzes and bites. It's a mosquito. Slow but steady. It's a snail. Lays eggs and clucks. It's a hen. Very proud male. It's a rooster. Runs fast in the desert. It's a camel. Here's your next challenge. It's a polar bear. Any guesses for this one? It's a rat. Looks like a flying flower. It's a butterfly. Looks like butterfly's cousin. It's a moth. Oh, a small cutie, very pink. It's a piglet. Tough and helpful. It's an ox. It's a starfish. Can you name this animal? It's a crow. A king under the sea. It's a seahorse. Eyes on the screen? What animal do you see? It's a praying mantis. Wiggles underground. It's an earthworm. It's a dog. Super soft and purrs. It's a cat. All right, what animal is this? It's a unicorn? It's a lobster. Tiny, shiny, and bright. It's a firefly. Looks very graceful, doesn't it? It's a swan. Did you guess all 80 animals? How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes like this. See you in the next Wild Challenge.